Good, happy Sunday morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome back to our extended broadcast edition right here on the Riley King Network. It is 7 o'clock right now. It is 7:21 a.m. right now, as we should say. It is our 7 a.m. edition hour. We have a lot of stuff we're going to be talking about, keeping you safe, and we will be on air until noontime today, bringing you coverage of the storm. First, let's talk about the weather and talk about some news and what it's like outside and things. So, currently, the weather is freezing rain, 12 degrees. And let's take a look at your hourly forecast. And here's a look at that hourly forecast. 8 a.m. freezing rain, 9 a.m. freezing rain, 10 a.m. freezing rain, 11 a.m. freezing rain, noontime freezing rain, and 1 p.m. freezing rain. And now let's talk about the weather today and for tonight. Weather for today is cloudy with freezing rain expected, high 26 degrees, winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precip 10%, 3 to 5 inches of snow expected, and ice expected. Tonight, cloudy, very cold, low 2 degrees, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast for all of you, as you can see. And today, snow/icy mix, 25 degrees. Monday, windy and frigid, 7 degrees. Tuesday, cloud and sun, 23 degrees. Wednesday, PM rain and snow, 36 degrees. Thursday, mixed showers, 40 degrees. Friday, sun and clouds, 36 degrees. And Saturday, mostly sunny, 23 degrees. And here's a look at some current temperatures as of 7:14 a.m. And let's take a look at some live webcams. This is a live webcam of Portsmouth Harbor. As you can see, it is very snowy there, as you can see, an icy mix as well. And here's a look at Sanbornton, New Hampshire. In Conway. Oh, we can't see anything in Conway. Oh boy. Let's look at some live web cameras. And if you don't need to go anywhere, just stay home where it is safe. Icy mix in southern New Hampshire and heavy snow up north. And now let's talk about your traffic. Let's take a look and see what the roadways and traffic conditions are right now. And here's a live look at your traffic this morning. As you can see, a lot of red and yellow roadways slow going out there today. If you don't need to go on those roadways, just stay home until the storm is past. It is treacherous out there. And let's take a look at the situation at Manchester Boston Regional Airport and see how the flights and flights are doing. A lot of canceled flights for arrivals, a few on-time flights, but mostly a lot of canceled ones. And for the departures, any flights leaving Manchester, there are a few departures, but a lot of canceled departures at Manchester Boston Regional Airport. That's the latest situation at the Manchester Boston Regional Airport. Highway speeds reduced as the heavy snow and ice keep on falling. Let's take a look at this video that Andy Hershberger did not too long ago. A live video he did. Let's take a listen to his live video. 18 minutes ago he did it.
Good morning, everyone, again. This is Andy Hershberger live in Ashland on Facebook Live. Just going to give you a brief update on the situation, the weather conditions up here this morning. We drove up from Manchester to Ashland about 4 or 5 o'clock, 5:30 this morning, and the roads were in kind of rough shape, but the plows had been out. That was the good news. They were... the roads were posted to 45 miles per hour, and that was a good thing because there was a lot of snow. Visibility was a problem this morning, and they were doing their best to get them clear, and they had them clear. It was just slow going pretty much on Route 93 all the way up to Ashland, where we got off at exit 24. Now, different story right now. It's about 7 o'clock, and you can see there's actually some cars that are driving behind me. This is Route 25 going from Ashland through Holderness and into Meredith. And these roads, the main thoroughfare is clear. Cars are passing, just going slow, as they should be. And I'm going to give you just a little look out this way. This is Route 93, north and southbound, and then you can see there is very little traffic on there right now, and that is a good thing because you know, it is slippery and it is snowing. Visibility is not terrific. This is Route 25, looking back toward Holderness and Meredith, and again, not a lot of traffic, but the cars that are traveling are getting by. Good news that people are, or appear to be at least, staying home because of the weather and the conditions. The snow is letting up a little bit here right now. I don't know if it's going to be picking up again. It may. The storm's supposed to last until the noon-ish hour or afternoon. So there may be more to come. That doesn't mean that there hasn't already been snow. This is a look at the snow that's already piled up here in Ashland. It's several inches. I don't know if it's a foot yet, but it's pretty darn close. It's up in the several inches range. So anyway, that's the situation from here. See some cars that they are driving, and as I mentioned, the snow is letting up just a little bit. So anyhow, that's the story here from Ashland, and we'll be getting back to you with another update at some point. I'm Andy Hershberger, live on Facebook Live. Be safe.
Okay, there you go. As you saw, the situation up in Ashland, that is where Andy Hershberger is, everyone. And here's a look at your Sunday for today forecasts around New Hampshire. So in the North Country, snow 12 degrees. In the Upper Valley, snow 19 degrees. Lakes region, wintry mix 18 degrees. Monadnock, snow 25 degrees. Merrimack Valley, freezing rain 26 degrees. In the Seacoast region, freezing rain 29 degrees. Those are the temperatures all across New Hampshire. New Hampshire Department of Transportation posted this 27 minutes ago. They wrote, travel advisory. A major snowstorm will mean difficult driving conditions statewide in New Hampshire today. Roads are snow-covered and speeds are and have been reduced to 45 miles per hour on interstates and turnpikes. Limit or avoid travel if possible. More than 630 plow crews are out statewide working to clear the roads, including on I-293 in Manchester. As you can see, this photo of a car right here, snow-covered highway, and 2 plow trucks on this side of the highway. If you don't need to go anywhere today, everyone, stay home until it's better. Portsmouth PD posted, "Don't do it, of course, unless you have to. The roads are terrible. The ice coating will add that little extra something awful. Stay home. Throw a hunk of meat with veggies into a slow cooker and call it dinner. Save your energy for snowblowing and conference championship game watching. Perfect day for it. Even the Thons would have a tough go today. Be safe, be vigilant. Portsmouth Police Department is here for you. Go Pats." Hampton Beach posted this photo. Snow drafts were where the sitting is for the seashell stage. With the winds expected, there will be snow drafts throughout the day and into tomorrow. This is a scene grabbed from WMUR's reporter this morning around 6:30 a.m., as you can see. So very windy on the seacoast. 24 minutes ago. Remember to clear out your exits, vents, and stovepipes as snow accumulates. Be sure to have a path cleared for fuel delivery and generator access, and clear 3 feet around nearby fire hydrants. Stay safe, everyone. So there you go. And let's check out the WMURU local page and look at some photos from the viewers. And if you want to send us some photos, just email us at rileyking12@gmail.com and send us your photos. Or you can private message us and send us your photos that way as well. And here are some photos on the WMURU local page. Let's take a look. This is Claremont, New Hampshire. In Monroe, New Hampshire. Swansea, New Hampshire. Belmont, New Hampshire. So a few snow photos. Alton Bay, New Hampshire. So a couple viewer photos on the WMURU local page. And again, send us your photos. Just email it to us at rileyking12@gmail.com. We want to see your photos in your area, what it looks like outside your area. And now we're going to take a look outside our windows and see what it looks like. Let's go. And here's what it looks like outside our studios at the Riley King Network, as you can all see. Looks like a icy mix out there. Oh, look, car just drove by, I saw. Looks like an icy mix out there right now. And that's going to do it for our 7th hour of our broadcast. We're going to take a commercial break and a little break, and we'll be back at 8 a.m. hour. Don't go anywhere, and we'll see you back here later on. Goodbye, everyone.